Hey everybody, my name's Chris, welcome to Casual Fragrances. Today we're going to talk about my top 4 addictive fragrances. So using my top 4 fragrances that are addictive, I can't stop smelling them, whether it's in the air, on myself, on my skin, or on my girlfriend's skin, or other people that have smelled these fragrances from my fragrance collection on themselves. So I do have no honorable mention, ladies and gentlemen, but before we start the list, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this type of content, I hope you consider liking this video. Make sure you click that subscribe button to show your support for the channel, and make sure you click the bell icon to get notified for future videos and giveaways. Number 4 fragrance from the house of by Killian is no other than Rolling in Love by Killian. This fragrance has amberette seeds, almond milk, orris, frizza, tonka bean, and vanilla musk. This fragrance is incredible. It smells really good. Some people might say it leans feminine. I get that with this fragrance here, but it opens up. I get a cherry kind of feel on my skin, a little fizzy on my skin and on paper. And this fragrance has the creamy almond in it. If you like to know the almond in fragrances, you're going to like this fragrance here. It's primarily going to be that almond fragrance, a creamy, milky feel in this fragrance here. Some ambrette season. You're going to get some vanilla. You're going to get some musk. I like this fragrance a lot on my skin and my girlfriend's skin. I got this bottle engraved at a Killian event about a year ago when this fragrance was released, so it's great. You definitely need to check this out here. I think majority of men and women will like it. I know some men might think it leans kind of feminine. It's not masculine, but definitely spray it on your skin and see how you feel about it. I think majority of people will cater to this fragrance. The beautiful bottle presentation itself, my girlfriend wears it. It smells very different off of her skin than it does on my skin, so keep that in mind. Definitely, if you get a chance to go to a Killian boutique, spray it on your skin and see if you like it or you dislike it. Now, performance on my skin is very different, so please keep that in mind. I'm getting about hour and a half to 2 hours of projection, and longevity I'm getting about 7 to 8 hours. So it gets me throughout the workday. Have no complaints. You can wear this dressed up or dressed down. I'll leave links down below to the Killian boutique in New York City. My boy Mike will take care of you. Tell him Casual Fragrance sent you if you want to buy this or any other Killian fragrances. So definitely check out by Killian, Rolling in Love. Number 3 fragrance is from the house of Zoologist, and it's no other than Zoologist Squid. This fragrance here has pink pepper, frankincense, salty notes, ink, ambergris, benzoin musk. Now, this fragrance here, I like this one a lot. You know, you don't need many sprays with this one here. Oh man, it gives you a freshness in it, but a sea saltiness in it as well. So if you picture yourself going to the beach, laying in the sand, trying to get a tan or just relaxing, hanging around friends or maybe your family members or the kids running around acting wild, this is going to remind you of going to the beach. You're going to smell that sea salty ocean. You're just going to feel good times that we had back in the day before COVID hit. It's a beautiful scent. You can wear this dressed up or dressed down. There's a sweetness in this fragrance too, so it's not all there's a sea saltiness throughout the fragrance, but then when it gets more to the dry down, you definitely get more of a sweetness in it. To me, it smells like a sweet kind of a cake on my skin. I know some people don't get that, but I get it, and I just like this one a lot. I like the bottle presentation. I like the dark blue juice. This is a great fragrance from the house of Zoologist. This is a more easier fragrance to wear from Zoologist. I know a lot of Zoologist fragrances, people want to say they're not easy to wear, they're daring, they're not approachable, and I understand that to an extent, but this is very different. Definitely check it out. You can wear this casual, or you can wear it dressed up, and people are going to like the way you smell. I mean, to me, this is more of a spring and summer fragrance, but you can wear this all year round. It's going to cut through that cold weather wherever you live out around the world, and it's going to be great for the spring and summer. Performance on me, I'm getting well over 2 to 3 hours of projection, very strong, and longevity, well over 10 hours. So I have no complaints on here. This performs like a beast on my skin, so definitely check out Zoologist Squid. I'll leave links down below to Perfumology. Reach out to my boy Near Guy. He'll take care of you. Number 2 fragrance on the list from the house of Zoologist. They have so many fragrances, but this one here I like the most, and it's no other than Zoologist Kobe. So this fragrance here has bergamot, Florida orange, Italian, neroli, petitgrain, rosewood, oud wood, tonka bean, and amber. This here, I feel like, is one of my favorite Xerjoff. I do like Xerjoff Renaissance 1861, but I tried this out at Perfumology after I bought Renaissance 1861 from Xerjoff. This is beautiful. I mean, I don't even want to waste the spray. I mean, it smells so good. It opens up with a bitter orange vibe in this fragrance. There's petitgrain in this fragrance, give it a little bit of a citrus powdery feel in this fragrance here. And this is a very upscale fragrance. This is fragrance that you want to put on your Sunday's best outfit. If you wear a suit and tie, you want to feel important, you want to garner compliments. This is a fragrance that's going to garner you attention and compliments. It smells so good. I'm happy to have in my collection. I wish they came out with 100 ml of Kobe, because I would wear it all the time, because it smells so good and it puts me in a good mood when I wear this fragrance. I can't stop smelling it on a test strip or in the air on my skin. It just smells really good. Some people may not like because it has note of oud. The oud is very subtle. It's not a heavy oud. It's not a stanky oud where you're thinking of oud that's behind. Nothing like that. It's a toned down oud. There's a sweetness in it with the fragrance here. And the sweetness in it is very good. The creaminess, the tonka bean, and the dry down. There's nothing you cannot like about this fragrance. Unless you don't like the note of neroli and petitgrain, then you may not like this fragrance, because some people may not like neroli as a note in general. But me, I love this fragrance here. Performance on my skin, getting great. 2 hours of full arm projection, and longevity, I'm getting about 8 to 10 hours on my skin. I have no complaints. I can literally get to 10 hours on my skin wearing this fragrance here. And I'm doing about 4 sprays. So I'm doing about 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm good to go. I love the beautiful Xerjoff presentation. These are expensive fragrances, looking at about $230 to $275 for a 50 ml bottle. I understand it's a lot of money. Definitely do your research. Go to Perfumology. Go get yourself a 2 ml sample for about 10 bucks and try it out on your skin. If you like it, then buy a bottle. You don't have to worry about spending $200 and something, over $200, and you don't like the fragrance. A perfect sample to check out. If you like Xerjoff fragrances, you know you're gonna like this fragrance here. So definitely check out Xerjoff Kobe. My #1 fragrance. What do you guys think it is? Leave your comment down below before you cheat. Okay, it's really easy for me. It's from the house I love. You know, my designer house is Christian Dior. My girlfriend loves it. I love it. Nevertheless, it's Christian Dior, and this is Feb Delicios by Christian Dior. This fragrance has notes of tonka bean, bourbon vanilla, caramel, cocoa, praline. This fragrance is fire. Nothing I can say about it. I love the sprayer. Look at that sprayer. Amazing Christian Dior sprayers. Oh my God, it opens up. Very sweet. You're going to get that heavy dose of tonka bean in the opening. You're going to get that vanilla bourbon, so it gives it that sweet vanilla kick in. You're going to get some cacao in this fragrance here. Cocoa. It's very awesome. The vanilla comes in very nicely blend, very sweet, seductive, addicting fragrance like this video is. It's great to have this. Now, some people might say it leans more feminine than male, and I understand that. I mean, everybody's going to be different about fragrances, so when you spray it on your skin, see how you feel. You might like it. It might lean feminine, it might lean male. It's up to you. I've worn this several times and gone to compliments of fragrance here where women say, oh, I like that fragrance on you. It smells good, or I want to buy it for myself or my significant other. A man could wear it or a girl could wear it. Some men might not think this is a masculine scent, and I 100% agree. It's not. But this is a great cozy scent, a great making love scent, a great overall, it's a great, well-balanced, gourmand, sweet tooth fragrance that you want to bite off of somebody. And if you do not believe me, go to your local Christian Dior boutique. If you live in a bigger area in the world, try it out, get yourself a sample, and you let me know if it's good or not. But the funny story is, when I went to go buy this fragrance, I met up with Stephen for adolescents. This is like 2 years ago, and we did shoot some videos at his studio, because he has a fragrance studio. We did some videos there, and I told him I'm going to buy this fragrance after we get done shooting some videos. So I shot some videos in New Jersey, then we drove over to New York City. My car broke down. It was crazy timing. We had to call AAA to get my car fixed, so it was going to take about an hour or so to come get my car. So I shot over with the Uber, went to Saks, picked up a bottle. I was like, I got to have it. The trip was messed up altogether after I left Steven's house, but nevertheless, it's a great memory. I bought Christian Dior Feb Delicios. New York City is a crazy place to live at and drive. Trust me, I had to get a hotel for the night. It was a lot of stuff, but I got this bottle. I still love it to this day. It's a great fragrance. My girlfriend loves it. Performance is great. I know they have reformulated fragrance, but trust me, on my skin, easy 8 hours plus, even longer. And projection pushes for the first 2 to 3 hours, very heavy on my skin. So please be careful with the sprays. I do about 2 sprays. You don't need many sprays. This is a 125 ml bottle, so you don't need many sprays. This will last you unless, you know, you want to go ham on the trigger. Be my guest if it doesn't perform on your skin. But for me, it's easy, breezy fragrance. Definitely check out Christian Dior Fabulicios. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what are your top 4 or top 10 or top 5 addictive fragrances you cannot stop smelling? Leave your list down below. If you're new to my channel, you like fragrance related content and giveaways, I hope you consider liking this video. Click that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Happy New Year to everybody. And this video, I had this idea because I saw Dallas from Chaos do a video like this. He did a top 5. I want to do 4 just to be cool, a little different. I didn't want to copy his idea all around. But shout out to my boy Dallas. He's almost at 100,000 subscribers. Hopefully one day I get there. Nevertheless, thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.